Alright, what is up guys? Daddy's here. We're literally about to pull up to meet one of my good friends who's actually done $50,000 in affiliate marketing sales from one affiliate offer that he's been pushing. So I hit him up, shot him a text, and I was like, yo, I want to just ask you some questions so that anyone interested in affiliate marketing can hopefully get some information out of you. So that's what I'm gonna do here. We're pulling up. There's another R8 right there. Ooh. Alright, see how this goes. There's the boy. There's the lad. Oh yeah, so if you guys don't know, so this is my boy Nathan. He's like my age, or I think actually a little bit younger. He has affiliate marketing. Hey yo, what's up bro? Long time no see.
Yeah, for sure.
Brought the boy Kai with me.
What's up? How's it going, bro?
I did a slight introduction of who you were.
Oh, sweet.
Who you
okay,
are,
cool.
just kind of just saying you're my age and you do affiliate marketing.
Yeah.
And you recently, what, broke 50K in sales or something?
Yeah, that was in my first year of just one affiliate program. So I run a few different ones, but just one of them I hit 50K in under a year. So.
Okay. And then I don't like talk a lot about affiliate marketing on my YouTube channel. But there's always people that like ask me just about it. So like I think one of the biggest questions is just how you generate like traffic or get leads for your affiliate offers.
Yeah, so there's a few different ways you can do it with affiliate marketing. I mean, when it comes to like Shopify and stuff like that, it's a lot of paid ads, influencers, Facebook ads, stuff like that. With affiliate marketing, you can do either the paid ad strategy, you can do Facebook ads with like lower ticket offers, Amazon Associates offers, ClickBank offers, things like that. I specialize a lot of high ticket affiliate marketing where it's basically selling more expensive products that have better commission structures. So instead of selling, ClickBank offers that might be, $50 to $100 for 20 to 30% commission, it's more so offers that are, 300, 500, 1,000 that might be 50%, 75%, even 100% commission. And so it makes it a lot more worth your time. But for me, I do focus mainly on social media marketing and a lot of free marketing strategies, just because they convert really well with high ticket offers, because you don't really have to put a bunch of funnels and a bunch of ads in place to just make $100 profit, $500 profit. It's like with one sale through social media, whether it's posting free content, doing outreach to your market or whatever it might be, you can generate one sale to make $500. So it kind of depends on how
we just walked in and put him on the spot.
Yeah.
He's working. We're just like, all right, start
getting it done.
In terms of like offers, like how would you go about like telling someone just what to promote? Like what do you think? Like I guess like for yourself, like how did you know that you wanted to do higher ticket offers versus like low ticket offers?
So I mean, for me, when I first got started, I kind of fell into it because I basically started learning from different programs, different strategies, and then I was looking into a lot of the lower ticket stuff. Amazon Associates, if you guys don't know what that is, it's basically Amazon's affiliate program. Amazon's one of the biggest retailers in the world. You can sell any of their products for about 5 to 10% commission, which is fine if you want to have a super general type of brand, or you're just selling household items or whatever, making 5 to 10%. For me, it didn't really seem worth my time because I have more of an e-commerce background. I was doing a lot of drop shipping stuff, and with that, it's kind of the same model where you're doing a lot of low ticket sales and you have kind of like a lot of maintenance and upkeep to kind of keep those lower ticket sales coming in, which if you can master influencers, if you can master ads and stuff like that, you can just kill it, because spending 5K in a day to make 15K, you obviously can do that. You can do that same thing with affiliate marketing. Just when I got started, I was basically learning from a few different programs, and then I just kind of fell into high ticket because some of the programs I started learning from had their own affiliate programs. So I basically just decided to just start using a lot of the strategies to start promoting those products, and kind of started killing it. It kind of depends on what you want to do. I mean, if you have a lot of marketing experience with different ads, you come from an e-commerce background, something like that, you can totally apply Facebook ads and even influencer strategies to affiliate marketing. But if you're just getting started, you kind of have to figure out what your kind of goal is and how much time and money you have to put into it. Because I mean, especially with like Shopify and stuff like that, you need some startup capital to put into ads to test and stuff like that. Some affiliate marketing programs you can just get into and just start learning some of the processes either through a training program or through trial and error, and then just start applying them to make, you know, those 20-30% commissions, but it's pretty free to start.
Okay.
Stuff like that.
And then, like back-end wise, like, do you use any like softwares or programs to kind of like either like speed up the process or like outsource, delegate the process, so it's not just like a one-man show, or is like, I mean, like just like back-end wise, like after maybe you know got a lead or something, like do you do like how would you do about that?
Yeah. So I mean, depending on what channel you want to do, whether you want to do paid ads through Facebook ads, influencers, whatever, or you want to do, you know, free social media marketing, whatever. Anytime you're advertising online, you always want to capture people that are interested, because I mean, people's attention span these days is super low. So it's like, especially on social media, they see one product and they see another, and then they're scrolling past, and before you even get the chance to persuade them and even get them as a sale, they already moved on to something else. So it's super important to convert leads. The smartest way to do it really with any business is usually offering some sort of freebie, some sort of free report. Say you're selling a, you know, product that's like a cookbook or something like that. If you know, sell, or even just for free, for them to give you your name and email, or for them to give you their name and email, you basically give them a free report that basically just goes over how to make one recipe or something like that. And then through that, you can basically build up trust and rapport by sending out emails. I mean, you can use like Aweber, you know, GetResponse, if you're more advanced, like Infusionsoft, stuff like that. And then also like ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is great for building out funnels and kind of structuring everything. So, I mean, depending on how you want to do it, when I first got started, I didn't really do a lot of that stuff. I was mainly just going, you know, shooting from the hip, just, you know, posting free content in my niche, and then just kind of. So
you guys just started like literally how anyone can start, just by posting.
Yeah,
content.
I mean, honestly, if you guys either know a lot about a certain topic, or you want to learn more about a topic and just kind of immerse yourself, honestly, both strategies are great, because if you know a lot, you can provide a lot of value to people that are looking into it, and then through that, you can give away some free content. Some of that free content you can capture leads with, and then build an email list, and then shoot out some products that either you've used, you know, tools that you've used, whatever. Or honestly, one thing that I've seen a lot that's really been working well is you literally just jump into a niche, you know nothing about it, and you basically just kind of start building your brand from the ground zero. You're not really creating content, you're just documenting your journey. And a lot of people can relate to that, because I mean, it doesn't matter what you're really posting about. A lot of people, if they feel like you don't really know what you're talking about, they're not really going to listen to you or give you that credibility and authority you need to kind of persuade them. But at the same time, people like to be related to you. So it's like, you're selling something and you can relate, then I mean, conversions are going to be a lot better. So I mean, it kind of depends on exactly how you want to structure it. But I mean, you can start with something you know a lot about. I mean, if you have an interest, if you have a hobby, I'm sure there's products out there that you can do, you know, affiliate marketing for, or even start, you know, a store or something around it. It's honestly just about kind of figuring out what you're good at and what you know a lot about, building a brand off of that, whether that's personal brand, separate brand, whatever.
Okay. And then last two questions, right? If someone wanted to start tomorrow, like they watch this video and they're like, all right, I want to do affiliate marketing right now, how can I get started? What would you recommend be the like first steps?
So I would audit what your skill sets are already. If you come from, say, Thaddeus' channel and you're kick-ass at Facebook ads or influencer marketing, you can kind of use that to your advantage, because you already know how to maximize those skill sets. So you can basically build an Instagram page doing shout outs and stuff like that, and then kind of link it back to, you know, some sort of funnel, freebie or whatever. Because, you know, with e-commerce, it's all about, you know, a lot of it is about, you know, free plus shipping and stuff like that. But it's like the same thing with affiliate marketing. You can basically just give away something for free, like, oh, free affiliate guidebook or free.
So you're just like offering
ebook.
Something of value.
Yeah, offering something for value,
yeah.
And then you can exchange it for some sort of, you know, contact email or something like that. So if you're good at that type of stuff, then I would totally go out and kind of kill it with Facebook ads. I mean, it's very, very similar to, you know, Shopify and stuff like that. You're building, you know, just kind of basic, you know, fan page, you know, figuring out who your target audience is. A lot of times with a lot of affiliate offers, you can contact the affiliate manager and kind of see what their demographics are, if they have any pixels on their website already, or for them to place a pixel on your affiliate link for you to basically just start gathering data, just kind of like Shopify and stuff like that. Mm-hmm. So yeah, if you're good at that type of stuff, I'd totally go, you know, into paid ads and just start promoting different offers. You could go to a website called clickbank.com, jbz.com, and if you basically just go to the different sections, you can sort them by popularity, and basically like average commission rate and stuff like that. Basically just find a product that's converting really well. Just kind of the same thing with like AliExpress and stuff like that. You can basically just sort by orders, basically find what's popping right now, and then kind of either craft some sort of free lead generation, you know, thing, or, you know, do some sort of funnel or whatever around that product, go for it. Or if you're a little bit more strapped on cash and you're just trying to figure out, you know, how you can just kind of bootstrap it, which you can totally do, is you can either, one, just kind of find a topic you're really good at, just pick some sort of marketing channel. In my opinion, the best one's probably just free social media strategies. So it doesn't matter if it's like Facebook, you know, Facebook page, Facebook group, whatever, or, you know, Instagram, Snapchat, whatever. If you just consistently post a ton of value, people will come. Even if the first day you have 0 views, no likes or anything, it doesn't matter, because as you start to get people checking out your page, you're gonna see, damn, this guy's been super consistent. He's actually really cares about, you know, helping people. And honestly, what you should do is keep it about 80% value and then maybe 20% CTA, meaning call to action, where you're just posting out a ton of content, and then every, you know, 1 or 2 posts out of 10 posts, you'll just say, oh, by the way, if some of you guys want to learn more about this, check out my website, or, oh, I'm running a 50% off sale, something like that. Because if you just do more than 20%, even 10% sometimes, some of your audience can just kind of, you know, not really want to get the offer, and then they'll bounce off your page or whatever. So, I mean, the most powerful thing is just curating an audience that's interested in the products you're selling, or at least the niche that you're in. And then if you just kind of keep building that, that's kind of the evergreen cash flow. So, yeah.
Okay. And then last question. So in terms of like margins and like how much you spend on like paid advertising and whatnot, like it sounds like you're really good at just like capitalizing on free organic traffic, right?
Yeah.
And so like out of the money you've made in affiliate marketing, like how much would you say like you spent maybe on actual paid ads, like, or just like, you know, or how much you're actually retaining from the sales?
So, I mean, the thing is that one key thing to realize is when you're doing affiliate marketing, it's not like e-commerce where there's a lot of hard costs involved. There's no cost to manufacture the product. There's no product, or no cost to house the product and ship the product. So it's basically if there's no hard cost, there's nothing associated with creating the product, or, you know, if it's a free download or whatever, that means margins are going to be a lot bigger. So your only real cost is going to be marketing. Well, if you can master free marketing, basically your margins are 100%, or if your payment processor takes a certain percentage or whatever. So for me, you know, I was working with a lot of offers that are 100% commission, and some that are like 75% commission, 50% commission, stuff like that. And building that audience on social media and just providing consistent value and things like that. I mean, I've retained, especially for that one program, the 50K in commissions, that was basically all 100% profit, besides my, my payment processor, which is like 3% or whatever. So, I mean, it's honestly something that can be super, super lucrative. But I mean, one thing that I've been getting into, you know, after like over the last like couple months, is getting more into paid ads, getting more into scaling and things like that. Because when you get started with, you know, any business, usually it's going to be more time intensive, to where you don't really have a lot of money. You're kind of bootstrapping it. You're getting it going. Once you get it going and you have some cash flow to work with, you have some profit, then you want to reinvest that back into marketing, because then you're just basically removing your time from your sales, which is when you can really scale it.
Okay, awesome, dude. I mean, I don't have any more questions. I'm sure these guys got a bunch of value from that, and I appreciate you just letting us run up on you.
Yeah, I know.
Literally, I don't know what to say. What's up?
No,
Questions? Boom, boom, boom. But yo, bro, thank you again.
Yeah,
Is there
for sure.
like, if they want to reach out to you at all, like, where would you say to hit them up? Like, I'll link your YouTube or whatever you want me to do.
Yeah, you can check out my YouTube and like my Instagram and stuff below, or Facebook. Just
Is that
Nathan
just
Ross.
the best to like reach out? It's just
Yeah,
like,
honestly, I mean, I have a ton of free value on affiliate marketing on my YouTube channel, so you can check that out. I have all my links to my social in those descriptions, or just my Instagram or Facebook or whatever in the description. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I have no problem, answering you guys' questions and helping you guys out.
Awesome. Well, guys, that wraps up the video. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, respond to everybody's comments, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna cruise here with Nathan for a bit, and yeah, I'll see you guys there. Peace.